Good morning, wonderful fans. Pacho, Oba live na share my Oba na share video na my na other fans and so on. Our fans across the world swear they let me be. I'm here to let's say clear the air of let's say WhyAkete Mpeninsem absence. Nowadays, I'm here to clear the air right now because there's a comment coming. Where is Akete? Where is Akete? WhyAkete way. I think that my kind of some videos more for my fans to know what's going on. Like there be our OCCI, but somehow I'm out to talk to you guys. It's like it's not respect. I respect you guys a lot, cause without you guys, you comedy and do baby. So our wonderful fans on Facebook, that is 600,000 followers on Facebook, and also 250,000 followers on YouTube. Because of you guys in senior, so WhyAkete Mpeninsem absent in Sina to clear the air. Timba joba na share my now for ya shas here. Yes, more views before we start everything. So ba no share. Good morning. Pajoba no share my na ya shas here na for so the live video from Uncle Beyou about WhyAkete's absence from Beyou comedy nowadays. Yeah. Your comments are needed. Your comments are really needed. So I think you can leave your comments. Anything you want to ask, I'm ready to answer. I'm sure for bringing us this far. But I'm share my name. If I can easy, anything big do be WhyAkete Mpeninsem is around by his absence due to some reasons. So you share my name. Call me Pacho. Yeah, your comments are needed here. Okay, let's go this way. Let's say that is 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks now since WhyAkete is not on our screen. Yeah, and it's not a big deal. People are calling WhyAkete, WhyAkete free Beyou comedy man. No, WhyAkete is the queen of Beyou comedy, and nobody can overtake WhyAkete legacy in Beyou comedy. Yeah, WhyAkete is a Beyou comedy member. In new film, he's part of Beyou comedy, and people are saying it's Mpeninsem taking over WhyAkete. No, nobody is taking over WhyAkete Mpeninsem. The real truth is, me pacho me mama mbusa me no the calls coming. Hey, WhyAkete way, WhyAkete ana didn't na WhyAkete man. Yeah, the love for WhyAkete is very big, but the real truth behind this, WhyAkete Mpeninsem is now at school, our school musiciai. So you can say a boarding school. Yeah, WhyAkete boarding school at the moment. Or boarding school in Simu WhyAkete off screener, and yes, he's out of Beyou comedy. No, old school in Tino. Leaving a big shoe like this for us now. We can't just sit there idle like being like this. I think our followers are big. The Beyou comedy is a brand, so we needed to still entertain you guys till WhyAkete come back. Oba, he is paired with both all the members. That is Coco Frimpon, Mpeninsem, and also Kwame Eugene too is back. Yeah. So make sure comments not Embra Mame. I think your comments are needed here. Yeah. Comments to be on and share. Let's share, okay. Yeah, morning, so let's share. Yeah, I think the comments are not coming. I don't know why. So that is it. WhyAkete it's a school or boarding school this year, and people were asking, and I didn't know they are going to go to boarding school, and he's too young. I'm sorry, it's not my decision. It's not my decision. Yeah, it's not my decision to send a girl to, let's say, boarding school. No, any my decision. But as I said in the videos, no, decisions is from, let's say, parents, that is never panana mommy. That's the wish for the kid, say, on-call boarding school, and parents' decisions are meant to be respected. Yeah, parents are meant to be respected. So it's not my decision to send her to, let's say, boarding school. Yeah, I tried my best to prevent that, but I think that was the only option. And Mpeninsem Mpeninsem is into make you guys happy. He's here loaded with talent, like Nani Edding, yes, Nani Edding per se, but he's very talented and willing to lead us till WhyAkete comes back. See, all I can say is you guys should throw your maximum support on my guys, that is Mpeninsem Mpeninsem, Coco Frimpong, and also Kwame Junior also back. So we throw our maximum let's say support on AC, because as now it's officially WhyAkete is at school. He's at the boarding school. He's at the boarding school at the moment. Yeah, I don't know what's happening to the comment section, but coming. Yeah, so that's the news for all our fans on Facebook. WhyAkete will be back. It's not going to be back, and you will visit her very soon with the team, and have a coverage for you guys to know where WhyAkete is. For you to believe me, he's not out of Beyou comedy. If not thrown WhyAkete out of Beyou comedy, no. A love for WhyAkete is big. The brand is very big. Mpeninsem Mpeninsem is just in. He's in, loaded with a talent, because the big shoe left for us now is very big, because I get to go school for 3 months and I say, oh, that boarding school. You see, the big shoe is very big. He's left a very big shoe for us, which we can't sit there out there like we won't produce videos again. No, the creativity is there, and talents, there are talents out there, something like Mpeninsem. So he's leading us on the year. So WhyAkete will come back. So we pair them together. WhyAkete, Coco Frimpong, and also Mpeninsem Mpeninsem. We pair them together very, very soon. So watch out. And AC is not coming to take over WhyAkete. He's coming with his own style. So now me unsure more for the care, for the love we have for WhyAkete. WhyAkete is at school, and the decision is not from Uncle Beyou, but the decision is from parents, as I said in the videos recently now. So I will entreat you guys to support us, support Beyou comedy, support Mpeninsem Mpeninsem, support Coco Frimpong, because I remember when WhyAkete was coming, without you guys, your support now, WhyAkete Mpeninsem ko me do baby audio, without your support now, I'm pushing. So I will entreat you guys, I will entreat our wonderful fans, any demo, you guys should promote Mpeninsem Mpeninsem. He's loaded with talent. He's coming small like this. It's a gradual process, and I think you guys will love it very, very soon. So till WhyAkete Mpeninsem is back, take Beyou comedy. We are with Mpeninsem Mpeninsem, Coco Frimpong, and also Kwame Junior. So God bless you guys for supporting us till this time. So as you are dropping videos, Mpeninsem Mpeninsem video is part. Coco Frimpong, Kwame Junior to videos is part. So I will encourage you guys to keep supporting Beyou comedy. WhyAkete Mpeninsem will be back. We love you all. Beyou comedy to the world. Much love. Let me first Sister Dana, my sister from Germany, and also Mama Juliana, Mama Mavis, Daya, God bless you. Mama Sewa, God bless you. Mama Tess, God bless you for your support. And big ups to all Beyou comedy fans. Big ups to all Beyou comedy fans out there. Much love. Much love to you guys. Keep pushing us. Keep supporting us. Keep supporting this young boy with great talents. My best is yet to come. So keep following us, keep supporting Beyou Comedy. Akete will be back. He's at school right now. And the decision is not from me, from daddy and mom. So let's support the rest. AC, Gogo Frimpon, and Kwame Eugene. Much love, Beyou Comedy to the world. Bye.